Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting both devices ready. Put the Android box on power and the display on the correct HDMI input, and make sure your phone and the box are on the same Wi-Fi or enable your phone hotspot. Next, on the box, open Settings and enable Cast or Screen Mirroring. If you prefer wired, enable USB debugging in Developer Options. Once done, keep your phone unlocked and open the Cast or Screen Share menu so the two devices can discover each other. You now actively connect. On your phone, open the Cast or Screen Share control and scan for available devices. Tap the Android box name to initiate connection. If using a wired USB approach, plug the cable and accept the authorization prompt on your phone so the box can access the screen stream. If the box doesn't appear, install a mirroring app like a receiver on the box or a sender on your phone and retry. Make sure both devices use the same Wi-Fi frequency band to reduce. You finish by optimizing settings. Set the box's display resolution to match your TV and choose the phone as audio source if available to prevent sync problems. Once connected, test video and audio. If you notice lag or dropouts, reboot the phone and Android box and reconnect to the network. If issues persist, make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi band, try a wired USB connection for stability, and check that any required mirroring app has permission to run in the background.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.